We are going to see how to use redirect function. What is meant by redirect function and how to make use of that particular redirect function we are going to see. Now, basically sendRedirect, it is a function. sendRedirect is a function which is meant for transferring the control to other client or server side program, which is meant for transferring the control for client or server side program. Now, basically this sendRedirect is a function of your response object. How this sendRedirect function can be used, we are going to see. Now, first thing is, for what purpose I will be writing this program, let me tell you. I'll write the program just for checking whether first value is greater than second value or not, is what my intention behind this particular program development. You can check it out. Here we have first HTTP Servlet get. Here I'll create, just a moment, new HTML file where the name of the file is A, and I'll create one more file. Name of the file will be B, and in a.html I'll display A is greater. A is greater. Same way I will write it in this is b.html. I will write B is greater over here, and in a.html I will write A is greater. Okay, now you can see this is your client side program. Here we have two text fields. One text field name is T1, another text field name is T2. From this I will capture the data in the other servlet. Of course, I didn't change my web.xml over here. Now just I will step into my servlet program. Let me open it up, just a second. Here I will write my logic. Now A equal to int A integer dot one sec, it is loading up. Okay, %, request dot get parameter T1. I'll capture the data from the first text field. I will capture the data from the second text field. Now I will check if A is greater than B. Response object, already I said sendRedirect is a function of response object. So response object dot sendRedirect, it will be a.html. Else response object sendRedirect, it will be c.html. Okay, now let me run this program. Okay, other, run on server. Okay, one sec, here there is a issue. It is not a C, it is B. Okay, run as other, unknown server. Next, make sure you are loading only your project over here. Just a moment. Yeah, your project only we are loading over here. Okay, this is not required. This is loading up. As per my suggestion, we'll go for browser once this is loaded. This one you just copy and paste, and here I'll enter a value as 12, b value as 14, so it will take you to b.html. B is greater. Suppose if I enter a value as some bigger value, if I click, it transfers the control to a.html and displays a is greater. In this way we can take the help of say I'm stopping this server. Okay. In this way we can take the help of sendRedirect function, which is all about in response object of your HTTP servlet. Next we are going to start up with next concept.